What's up guys, so I thought I'll do a different video today where I show you guys my realistic get ready with me. I'm actually sitting on my floor right now. This is where my chair would be when filming, but in reality this is how I do my makeup. So I thought, why not go through this process with me and just turn on the camera and just leave it on and let you guys see how I really get ready. My plan today is actually go to the beach, so I got my polka dot dress on, and usually before I do my makeup I'm going to put my hair up. I call this like the Ama hair clip. I'll put the link down in the description box where I get it from, but I usually like to tie my hair up because my hair's heavy, my hair's long, I don't want it all on my face. And there we go. First thing I'm gonna use is this Centella sun cream, and this one has SPF 50. Pretty white. Ooh. Okay. It's quite thick actually. Oh my god. It's like so white, but it's right. I need to cover myself with lots of sunblock because I don't want to get burnt on my face. So I have like pretty bad breakout at the moment. Like I want to cover all this up. So I'm gonna use a concealer. Literally have like makeup at the back here. Can you see all the mess? There's like a whole pile of makeup and rubbish which I just have to clear ASAP, but I will get there. I need my mirror. I'm gonna use this concealer since it's on the ground, and this is Lilybyred Magnet Fit Liquid Concealer. Have been loving this since I got this, and it's gonna pretty much cover all my blemishes, pretty much like everywhere. I honestly don't know why I'm breaking out so bad. I mean, it could be because it's the holiday, I haven't been eating well, I'm not sure. For the base today, I'm actually going to use this Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream, which I actually used yesterday and I didn't realize how much I actually love it again. Like I haven't used this for so long, and when I did a video of this yesterday I was like, wow, totally forgotten that I used to like this. So I'm just gonna apply this briefly because I don't want it to be like too heavy. The friends that I go to the beach with today, they're not really of a makeup people, so I don't want to be like the only one that have like high-ass coverage at the beach, you know, because ain't nobody got time for that at the beach. I know some people would like use their hand to like rub this cream in, but I like to use a puff because I feel like I get much more of an even coverage when doing this. I'm going to use my Aritaum matte finish brow. Not sure if you can get this anymore, but I love this one. My brows are in need of threading. Can you guys see all the hairs? My god. But eyebrow lady is away, so I have to wait, and I can't pluck because she's not gonna like the shape if I pluck it. So I'm gonna try my best to follow my eyebrow shape, but we'll see. I think that's good enough. And then when I get really hot and sweaty, I have like a whole box of stuff here that I want to do like reviews or I haven't used yet. I'm going to actually pick the Dasique eyeshadow palette. I've never tried this brand before, and this one's in the shade number 4 Pastel Dream. When you open it up, it's like this. The colors are so beautiful. It has like this beautiful pinkish colors. I've actually tried this once and I would have to say I love the pigmentation of this. Comes in 9 colors. Check out the protector. I have my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I swear this thing just like won't finish. I've used this so much already, but it still feels like really full. I feel like I need to chuck this and get a new one. Here we go. This is how I store like my favorite brushes. And this is when I got married. I just kept this like champagne glass, but yeah. I'm going to use a fluffy brush first, and I'm going to dip into this shade here, the darkest one. Apply this on my crease, my other brushes, and I'm going to use, I have this particular blush that I like to use, and I just can't find it. I'm filming, you know. Yes.
Live?
Yes. I have this one here. This like flat, fluffy brush. And I'm going to dip into probably the darker shade in here, which is this brown with pink speckle on it. Apply this all over my lid space, just like patting this gently in like this. And then just patting it up and down like this. Apply the leftover on the lower lash line. Before I apply eyeliner and mascara and all those other stuff, I actually like to set my lashes first, and I'm going to use the Petite lashes in Lily today, which is much more of a shorter side, as you can see. I use my thumb to pull the lashes out like this. So like this. The band is quite thick for this one. And then I like to just measure it like this to see, oops, how much I have to cut out. Quite a bit actually. Waiting for the glue to like set and get tacky, I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm using my Love liquid liner in the shade brown. Usually I like to look at the mirror in front of me to apply my eyeliner, so let's get started. It's so much faster when looking at the mirror rather than the camera, you know. So I just briefly just apply a wing, and then I'm gonna go over with an eyeshadow soon to make the eyeliner less harsh. So I'm gonna go over with this palette here, Etude House Muhly mini palette, and I'm going to take the darker shade in here with a pencil brush, and then just put this on top of the liquid eyeliner just to blend everything out, make it look more softer looking, I guess. Okay, bye bye, see you. Outline. Lashes are getting a bit more tacky now, but before I actually put that, I'm going to do my bronzer. I'm using the Peripera V Shading bronzer. Just swirl this around. Apply. I like to apply a good amount of this because I like the shade. It makes me look slimmer. And then I like to just go like this again. Alright, here we go. Done. And then I like to like pinch this, then push it up. I like to apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line, just very faintly, not too much like how I would usually do. I'm going to do highlighter because you want that sun glow kiss at the beach, you know. I'm going to use this one from the Saem Prism, and this one is a beautiful gold highlighter. I'm going to apply quite a bit on the cheek area. This is where the sun will shine, you know. Look at that. Can you see it already? Okay. I'm going to use the Colourpop Just a Tint crayon today, and this one is in the shade Nude Beach. Perfect for the beach, I guess. I want to set everything just in case, and I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Mist, which is really hydrating, and I like this because it's like refreshing as well. But it does take a while to set. On top of that, I will be setting with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist as well, just because. I think this look turned out pretty well. Like, it's not too heavy, which is good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.